Touchdown, Shanghai, China. After hours in the sky, finally, nandito na ako. Is the one of the most vibrant and modern city in the world. From the moment the plane landed, ramdam ko agad yung energy ng plane na to. There's something powerful about arriving in new city country, yung feeling na yung stepping stone, new chapter, new culture. New experiences at habang naglalakad ako sa airport, I cannot help but smile because it's another dream check off my list. Travel isn't just about the destination, it's about growth, it's about courage, it's about proving to yourself na kaya mo. Every flight remind me the world is so big and I meant to explore it. Shanghai, a city known for its futuristic skyline, rich story, and unstoppable progress, and now I get to witness in my own eyes. From airport moment to city adventure, this journey is just beginning. So here, the new place, new memories, and new opportunities. Hello Shanghai, let the adventure begin. This is Shanghai. Look at the Shanghai begin.